Hey guys, it's Carter, and in today's video, we are looking at the top dividend stocks with crazy high yields that carry so much potential and every investor should own. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about investing, dividends, money management, I do have a course that offers a whole bunch of fantastic tools, quizzes, lectures, videos, all that good stuff, and you'll have access to a chat room. I'll put that down below so you guys can at least check it out. So starting off with stock number one. So stock number one is ticker symbol O, also known as Realty Income Corp. Now the reason why this one is so popular is because this is what you call a monthly dividend stock. So what they do is they actually go out and buy different real estate properties, and as the tenants pay their lease, their rent, you guys get a little bit of that money. Right now, the dividend for this is just a hair under 5%, rated about 4.91. And looking at it, that's about 24 cents a month, which I understand is not not much. But if you compound this, this is going to be something that will easily start paying your bills, and you guys will be building up a monthly passive income stream, so you don't have to actively manage this, watch this, or actively really work for this money. It's just something you can kind of invest and forget, which is ultimately the best type of investment here. So stock number two is ticker symbol VZ. This one here is Verizon Wireless. Now, the issue that we face with this one is looking at the chart, you'll notice it's been very, very, very volatile. We do have, this somewhat of an upward trend. On top of that, it does have some pretty heavy support down here, pretty much underneath $36. So you'll notice every time we fall under $36, we get natural buying pressure, right? Buying pressure here, 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 and even in here. So given that this thing is pushing back up, I could easily see this thing hitting 41 to about $44 a share in the next probably year or so, year to 2 years. On top of that, right, if we actually go ahead and we zoom in, right, you'll notice that the dividend for this is 65 cents, which comes out to 7.1% as a dividend yield, which is quite a lot, right? If we go ahead and we zoom in and we look at this last earnings report, you'll notice they actually beat expectations, which is always a good sign. This is one of the reasons why we've seen some buying pressure start pushing back up onto the stock. So this one here is actually a fantastic pick for a dividend player. On top of that, it's right on a support line, so we could easily see this thing pushing up. Now, stock number three. Stock number three is ticker symbol MO. Now, this one here is Altria. Now, this is a tobacco company, and if we actually go ahead and we zoom out, you'll notice that this one here, very, very similar situation. A lot more volatility, but we still have, that somewhat of an upward trend, which is always a good sign. The dividend is 94 cents per quarter, which is awesome. In their last earnings, they missed earnings, but that's all right. But the biggest value out of this is the dividend comes in at 8%, which is quite a lot. An 8% dividend is a lot, right? So looking at it, we do have some somewhat support here at about 42, resistance up here at 48, major resistance up here at 54. The average analyst price target for the stock is trading rated about $38 a share. So I think this one definitely does carry a little bit of some potential right there. Now the next one here is ticker symbol TD. This one here is a banking company. This is the banking company. Now, the reason why a lot of people love this one is because this bank offers a whole bunch of products and services to the United States and Canada. Looking at it, we have that beautiful upward trend. The stock's gone from $29 all the way up to highs here at about 83, but we've gotten some sell-off just due to the market we're in. On top of that, the dividend is about 4%, which is awesome, and that comes in at about 67 cents a quarter. Last earnings beat expectations on revenue and the earnings per share. This one here is probably my number two pick, but the last and final stock here, if we go ahead, this is ticker symbol IRM. This one here is called Iron Mountain. Now, Iron Mountain here is a REIT specializing in data storage and information management services. You'll notice this one has just a ton of volatility. And what I mean by volatility, it just goes up and down at some pretty rapid rates. But look at this upward trend. This is beautiful. We have an upward trend, so we're going to be getting appreciation on our money. We're also going to be getting a dividend of 61 cents, a 5% dividend yield, which is awesome. The last earnings, they missed earnings on the revenue, but that's okay because right now, kind of the market we're in is it's weird, right? It's a weird time. We have high interest rates, we have high inflation, and the biggest thing is people aren't spending like they used to, a couple of years ago. It's always easier to spend money when you have a $1,400 stimulus check, and now things, are just way different. So this one here is probably a fantastic pick. I highly would recommend picking up this one here, IRM. I am buying it. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.